Hi guys! So today we're going to be making some slime and we're going to put it into a balloon. It is actually pink because in my view I have to point my laptop down, so I'm not sure what it's like for your view. So I got my mixing spoon, my spoon to try and put it in the balloon, an egg cup with a little bit of salt in, some shower gel and some shampoo. So we're going to start off with some shampoo. And we're going to put a little bit on the spoon. Like so. About that much, maybe. Yeah, sorry guys, this thing goes backwards, not normal, so we're just gonna take some of that off. And yes, this is a little bit messy. And you're going to get maybe one last spoonful or so. You can put in however much you want. Just, I don't want tons because this is like my favourite shampoo, so just scrape it off. Okay. Now I've got my towel, and I'm just gonna put the spoon in that. All done. Then I'm going to get my body wash stuff, put the spoon in, get one dollop. This is very, very sticky. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So putting these together may or may not add a bit of scent, so yeah. Up and slide, up and slide. And then after you've mixed it for a little while, it should become like a weird texture. So I'm gonna get just a little bit of salt on my finger. Not sure if you actually saw that. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in. And then wipe my hands. I think I am going to make a little bit more because that is a little small. Okay, there we are. These two smells, I think, are really nice together. That's why I chose these ones. Not different ones. How warm is my tea boiling? Now it's time for some more salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt because then it becomes really, really watery and stuff. And if it goes off, I'll just have to do a part 2. And yeah, so I shouldn't have to, but I think I might. Becoming more like slime now, as you can see, look. Ooh. You just have to sort of beat it into the side. I'm not sure how well you can see, so let's just sort of fix this, like, there we are. Just keep on mixing. As you can see, that is really, really like slime. Feels like it too. But I'm just going to carry on until I think it's ready. Like, totally think it's ready. When I think it's completely ready, then I'm going to put it in the fridge for like 15 minutes. 20 minutes-ish. And then I'm just going to leave it in there for that long. I'm going to get this spoon, scoop some, put like the spoon on its side there. Oh no. I'm going to open up the balloon, put it in my mouth. Yay. Hopefully shove it in, but we don't need to do that yet. Okay, this is starting to get super duper stuck to the spoon. Some more salt. You just have to literally stir it and then eat it up to the side. I know this isn't hard. I found it super duper easy. There's some more of it in the fridge. I'm gonna add a little bit more because it adds more colour. You need lots more colour. There we are. And some more salt. Let's just screw the lid on this so I don't forget. Okay, as you can see now, it's starting to really mould together now. Sorry guys. Okay. That is ready to go into the fridge, I think. Yeah. So guys, there will be a part 2. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Sorry I'm out of sync. It's my laptop recording thing, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will be back in 15 to 20 minutes. Bye!